Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, welcoming you back into our SEMRUSH series. And currently we are now doing the content marketing category of the tools, as we have previously finished all the SEO, local SEO, advertising, and social media tools and features that SEMRUSH has or offers and will be included if you are or once you have signed up for an account or paid subscription with them. Although currently we are using a free trial account, it's just so we can gauge or we can sample all of their tools before we sign up for the real thing. So as for my experience, it hasn't been difficult to use all of the tools at all. Even though I'm using a free trial account, I was able to utilize most of them, although some I could not because of course, limitations. But all in all, it's been a great experience using SEMRUSH as a tool. And currently, as I've mentioned earlier, we are going to be talking about the content marketing category, and under those are these tools and features, and I am excited to talk about them. So, of course, before we go into the tools, let's have an overview of the content marketing dashboard. So basically, content marketing platform is something that you can use to improve your content strategization. So here you can see a lot of different headings that will be going on later. So finding a topic, of course, in topic research, and topic research is a tool under content marketing. So we'll be discussing that on the next video, but it is more of course, focusing on the topics, helping you come up with different ideas that you or that are related to what you offer and the products and services that you have in your company. So that is how you can just entering a topic right here, and then you can generate content ideas from that. So for example, let's start here for now, and then just use this tool once we go to the topic research tool. And then let's just first discuss the different factors under the different important key points that are under the content marketing dashboard. So that's it for finding a topic. To create a plan, let's create a content plan in marketing calendar. So it's not there, but yep, you can create a calendar right here, so you can plan and manage content activities that requires constant monitoring. So of course, if you have so much to do within the company, and content it's like the last thing on your mind, so you want something, or you want an expert tool that will take care of that for you, and that is exactly what content or the marketing calendar is all about. So you can set up a calendar right here, monitor your activities, monitor the teammates, and as well as get notifications depending on the different metrics or different features that are under that specific calendar. So yep, right here, a sample notification, and then the teammates and then activities right here. So that's it for creating a plan. Writing an article. So write an article with SEO content templates. SEO content template is something that we have discussed in a separate video. So if you want to know more about this tool, then definitely check our playlist. I'm gonna leave a link on the description box below, so you can go there right after this video and have a look at what SEO content template is all about. So the next one, so here you have SEO, or you have text tips, keyword recommendations, and that's some template tool. And optimization, of course, very much important. It's not just you're going to put out different content and let them be on their own. Of course, you want to optimize it so that it'll reach its full potential and hopefully bring in engagements to your brand. So optimizing the article with SEO Writing Assistant, it does not provide a time-consuming struggle because you will be getting an aid from this tool. So here you have check content, plagiarism check, readability, and tone of voice. So it checks the formality level of your text to make sure it matches your brand voice, and this is very important because of course different companies have different tones of voices within them, so that's a signature thing and something that is unique to the companies. So this is a nice touch. As a content writer myself, I definitely like this feature right here, and of course all the other ones are just as vital, and you want to utilize them as much as you can. And then measuring the impact. Let's see what this is all about. Measure impact in post tracking. So that is under the content marketing category, and we will have a separate discussion about this one, but it is basically tracking your post. So that's also something that you can do with, for example, you have already utilized a social media poster, so this is the follow through, if we can call it that, the follow through of that, so that you can, after posting it, you can of course, or you would want to track it, of course. So that is it. You have shares, track, and reveal. So these are some metrics that are under the post tracking, and we'll discuss that more later on in the following videos that we'll be doing. And lastly, we have revise and improve in content audit. Content audit is, I believe, another, oh, it's not here. Yep, so we will be discussing about this also in detail. And basically what it does is it audits your content so that you can check if there are issues, or deal with them right away. Of course, you don't want any issues within the content that you're making, so that it wouldn't go to waste. But yep, that's basically it. For it measures or audits your performance metrics and task. And that's it for the overview of the content marketing platform. So look forward to the ones that, or to all the tools that we will be discussing following this overview. So we have all of these, aside of course from the ones that we have already made. But yeah, before that, I hope you have a look at the playlist that we have, and again, it's on the description box below. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and see you again on the next one.